Alright guys, this right here is a 5-pin deadbolt. It's just the cylinder. It's all in there. And this right here is some picks that I'm working on right now. This is the first run at this keyway, so I just thought I'd show you guys. This is kind of the retainer deal. This is a comb pick, homemade out of a hacksaw blade. You do have to thin the hell out of them, but it's pretty cool. It works, goes in there. Pins drop down, you lift them up. Anyway, I've got this made so it's perfectly, you put it in there, lift up the pins and turn it sideways, and the bottom of the pick rests on that ward, on the top ward there, and you've got to slide this in just like that. Gotta pull it out of here. Now both tools are in the lock. You slide this one out, it drops the pins down on top of those combs. Then you lift the comb pick up, and this is where I start having problems. Well, from everything I've gathered, it says it should work right offhand, but I kind of have to rock it back and forth. Let me see here. Shit. It does work, I assure you, but it's just, you know, it's not as quick as professional comb picks, I guess you would say. And depending on the pinning of the lock, this could be impossible, because you couldn't fit both top and bottom pin into the housing. There, right there. It's open. So, it's my comb pick.